Training was created by TIP, the Trauma Intervention Program, and TIP volunteers are often called to the scenes of tragedies to help victims and their families. But now this training offers that same kind of support for first responders.
Fire department, what's the severe emergency?
When first responders get the call, they know they have a job to do.
They're going to respond to thousands of horrific incidents in their careers that normal humans don't have to see.
While the focus is normally on helping victims and their families, each tragedy can affect each first responder differently.
The sights and sounds, the emotions, the profound sense of loss and grief that they see and feel is transferred to them, and that burden can be heavy.
Henderson's Deputy Fire Chief Scott Vivier started noticing a nationwide trend.
We're 3 times more likely to complete suicide. The amount of challenges we have with family relationships as well as other mental health problems is greatly higher in our industry compared to the average civilian.
Part of the reason many first responders may not have an outlet to share what's on their mind.
Emergency responders, they have this tough outer callus that because they've been trained to respond and react in the moment without feeling this emotion, oftentimes what's going on inside is hidden.
So Vivier got on board with TIP to offer mental health training. So far, hundreds have gone through the program.
Everyone from emergency room nurses to paramedics to detectives, the list just goes on and on.
Within the Clark County Fire Department, firefighters have been referring it to one another. The tips and tools are simple.
How do you immediately interact? What do you say? What do you do?
And Vivier says ultimately it's about reminding these first responders that they don't have to fix everything.
If the first responders or the peer support members aren't calm, it's going to kind of probably affect the person that we're serving.
And specifically, we had to let them know it's okay to not be okay, because the work is demanding, and while we need you to be physically fit to do the job, we also need you to be mentally fit to do the job, because ultimately we're in a business of caring for people.
And the monthly day-long course is so popular, there's a wait list for every session. Next week's training will be with the coroner's office. Tiana Bonner, Fox 5 News, local Las Vegas.